So the fight is on for the #1 spot, and I can now reveal that David Guetta's huge dance floor hookup with Sia couldn't quite top the chart as the biggest tune so far in 2012. It has made second place though, and still managed to vote the #1 on the UK chart in February after a rollercoaster performance on the top 40, even prior to its official release in December 2011. So quite a journey then, but not as crazy a journey as this little boy's extraordinary trip home from school. Titanium is at #2.
Oh god. Come on, that's your girl. You can do it, girl. Don't get Justin Bieber in the back. Put the knickers away.